It's unboxing day once again at the AGM Enterprise, and today I'm going to talk about our new feature phone, the M8 Flip. Actually, we made two versions, the M8 Flip and the M8 Flip Security Plus, which I will talk about in greater details later in the video. So I can already hear the question, why did you decide to release an old school flip phone when you just released the super high technology smartphone, the G2 Quadrion, recently? Well, the answer is because we care. At AGM, we truly believe that our family members, parents and grandparents, but also construction workers and other feature phone lovers need and deserve a high quality flip phone. The hard truth is that right now it's not available on the market. All the major brands exited this product category and left the community behind. So at AGM, we decided to meet people's needs and make it ourselves. We identified pain points in existing products, listened to users, and after lots of R&D, we are now proud to say that we created the best flip phone on the market, the M8 Flip. And I'm going to show it to you. So the M8 Flip comes in this bright yellow box. So let's open it. We have the M8 on top, and as usual, under you get the charger, the manual, and a warranty card. So a quick overview first. And as you can see, it's a compact device with a neat design. It is lightweight, but not in a cheap way, but more like in a high-tech design sense, like a carbon fiber back frame, for example. A beautiful piece of technology. So on the first side, we have the camera, which is 2 megs, the flashlight, and the big speaker will deliver 104 dB. Notice the 3 icon of speaker here. It's LED notification. So you get 3 info from this: phone call, message, and low battery level. On this side, you get the SOS side key, which I will introduce later in the video. On this side, you have the volume and the flashlight buttons. On the back, you have the battery cover, which you can open with a screwdriver or a nail if you want. It's not difficult. The battery is 1500 mAh, which will last you a long time. More than 7 hours of call and more than 2 weeks of standby time, for example. It is also removable, which means easy to replace if necessary. So right under the battery are 2 slots for 2 SIM cards and 1 SD card. You can expand the storage up to 128 GB. And at the bottom of the device, you can find the USB-C charging port and a 3.5mm audio jack connector. Notice the 2 golden dots here? Those are for the charging dock. You can charge your device by just placing it on like so. Very convenient. And note that this dock needs to be purchased separately. Okay, so now let's dig deeper into the features. As you probably know now, we put all our devices through a series of super tough stress tests to make sure they resist all the daily abuse and tough love you give them. So the M8 Flip is no exception. I'm talking impact tests, keyboard resistance test. We even drop a steel ball on the screen to make sure it is durable. And it is also certified IP68, IP69K, and military standard 810H. Meaning it is waterproof, dustproof, and dropproof. It's no joke. When you buy M8 Flip, you truly get a reliable long-term companion. So we designed this device with a 2.8-inch screen, a big keypad, and a simple OS to guarantee ease of use. This makes it easy to read and type messages or phone numbers, even for those who may have trouble with small fonts and buttons. What we want from this device is simple and reliable. Now, more good news for the elders. I have the pleasure to announce that the M8 is hearing aid compatible, HAC, meaning that it's designed to work more effectively with hearing aids. More precisely, the M8 has a T3M3 rating, so what you can expect is a better sound quality, no interference, and a reduced background noise, allowing easy and clear conversations. Another key feature of the M8 Flip is that it comes with a clearly visible SOS side key. A great safety tool that is easy to use. Just long press it for 5 seconds to contact your local emergency services. By default, it will be 911 for North America and 112 for Europe. This feature can truly save lives. Now, to make life easier for people, and because we listen to the complaints on the internet, the M8 Flip also comes with one-click call option. 3 keys, M1, M2, and M3, for one-press calls. making it extra handy for elders again. We really want to make people's life easy here. Just enter the settings and save a number for each key. So let's talk about connectivity for a second. As I mentioned before, the ML Flip is dual SIM and supports 4G LTE. Note that if you use these dual SIM features, only the first SIM card will have the 4G connection, while the other will have 2G. So you can go on our website to check specific information about the band compatibility and also double check with your local carrier before purchase. Now remember, in the introduction, I mentioned the other version, the M8 Flip Security Plus. So what is it exactly? Well, it is a phone designed for people who value privacy and security so much that they want a device that has no risk of data leaks. So what we did is removed all the risk components and risk features of the M8 Flip. I'm talking camera, Bluetooth, cellular data, MMS, USB data transfer, micro SD slot, file management, and multimedia features. What we have left is a secure, reliable, and leak-proof device. So if you are a person who doesn't want others to know where you are and what you do, or if you own a company and want to keep your data safe, that will be a great device for you. Now let's open these devices to see how well we made them. So here we have the PCBA board. So at the bottom here, we have three things. We have the microphone, the USB Type-C connector, and the 3.5mm jack connector. And also on this PCBA board, we have the Bluetooth antenna here, and also we have the connectors for the 4G antenna at the top here. We also have two slots for two SIM cards, and we have one SD card. And at the back here, we have the keypad. So on this part here, we have a few things. First of all, we have the connectors for the speakers. We also have three LED for the LED notifications. We have the flashlight here at the top and the 2x camera. And if we turn here, we have the 2.8-inch screen. Now if we take this part, we can see the two speakers here. We also have three holes for the LED notifications. We have here the flashlight and a hole for the 2x camera. So if we take this part, we have actually a lot of things. First, we have the Bluetooth antenna here. We have the 4G antenna at the top. We have two connectors here for the dock charging. We have a motor here for vibration. And the white thing around is actually a seal ring to ensure it is waterproof. So if we take this piece here, we have the protection for the screen, which is made of PC. We have the big keyboard here with the big buttons. On the back, we can see here another seal ring to ensure waterproof. And also we have a protection for the keypad here to avoid dust and water going inside the phone. Just remember, if you buy the Security Plus version, there will be no SD card here and there will be no camera here. You can clearly see that when we made these phones, we focused essentially on quality materials, not only outside but on the inside components as well, to make sure it is durable and to make sure that the user has a great experience. So there you have it, two great devices with high quality components that you can rely on and trust for years to come. The M8 Flip by AGM Mobile is the modern version of the traditional flip phone that combines simplicity with powerful features. Whether you are looking for a phone that is easy to use or a phone that can endure extreme conditions, the M8 Flip has got you covered. With its hearing aid compatibility, SOS key, large screen and big keypad, double SIM, removable battery, expandable storage and rugged design, it is an ideal choice for anyone who values simplicity and durability in their mobile phone. I personally already purchased one for my grandma. She's already using a flip phone, but this is just a better product. And for the people who wants to take security and privacy to the next level, you can purchase the Security Plus version and use it with peace of mind. So price will be 79 to 89 USD, depending on your location, US or Europe, and it will be available on Amazon, AliExpress, and our website, agmmobile.com. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.